Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bump is shaped like a deer. DUI, how about you die? I'll go 100 miles an hour. Little do you know, I filled up on gas. I'm a kid, you're bound to make an ass. Pulverized as fuck with my fucking truck. It seems you're out of luck. Truck! Here's to my right, beer in my left hand, leaving my seventh red light in the past. Sorry, miss, I'm dying, I don't get the signs. The king has come to drive. Tires burning, rubber skidding off the ground, breaking all laws known to monster kind. I don't give a fuck, I won't slow down. Soon you will fall behind. Rocking up the lawn with my steering wheel, flashing my headlights just to see you scream. When I get my chariot, you better kneel, for the king's blowing steam. Engine roaring loud, diesel in my veins, swerved into the curb, the end has only pain. Foot is on the gas, no mercy for the deer. My windshield's turning red, oh, I still had a six-pack left to down, but you're already gone.